My skin tells my story, every mark a part of me.
What's up YouTube, back again, another quick video for you today. And today's video, we're just doing a quick teaser. Now there's a company reached out to me and asked me to try this software. And again, we're getting another winner, and the pricing structure is going to be a game changer from what I've been told. Now, this is just a preview video. I'm just going to show you quickly one of the main features I use, which is the blemish removal. Look at this. We've got some really harsh skin blemishes on this lady, and again, the magic happens in no time. We've also got some blemishes just on the neck area here, and let's go ahead and remove them as quick as that. Now, like I said, I'm just doing a quick teaser. I'm having a quick play with the software now. The full video will be out the beginning of April, so watch out for that one if you're looking for something as a replacement for some of the other competitors like Evoto, etc. This one, again, like I said, if the pricing, as they tell me, is going to be as good as they say. We've got the face done. Let me just go down just a little bit, and we've got some on the body there. Let's go again. Boom. It captures everything. All the functions that you want are all in here. And I'm going to do a full review in the coming days. Hopefully the start of April. I'm not so sure at the moment when it's going to be released. But yeah. I do like competition for people, especially when competitors and they're adding things all the time. So let's wait and see. Full video coming soon. This is just a quick teaser. Stick around. See you in the next one.